How to fix Kick account login not working. In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can fix if your Kick account is not working or logging in. First thing you can do is just tap on the login button here on the Kick app, enter your username or email, and once you've done that, just go ahead and enter your password. But if you're unable to log in, then in that case, you might want to check your internet connection. So if you're on Wi-Fi network, try switching over to mobile data, turn off your Wi-Fi, turn on data, and try to log in, because sometimes it might be the network that's causing the issue. And if you are on data, try switching over to Wi-Fi. So once that is done, your problem should be probably fixed. But in some cases, what happens is there might be some cache files or different junk files that might be causing the issue. So go to the app info first and then go to storage, tap on clear cache. If you want, you could also try to clear data. So what it does is it's going to completely refresh the app. Go to permissions, make sure all of the permissions are allowed because the app requires them to run smoothly. Then you can just go ahead and go to set as default, and if there are any defaults on the app, you might want to clear them. And finally, you can try to force stop the app. What it does is if there's something going on in the background that's causing the issue, some kind of unknown requests, it will completely stop that and your app should start working again. Now just restart your phone once, go back to your app, tap on login, and try to log into it. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.